Welcome. What you're looking at is a KPI Tracker, an AI-powered client quarterly performance dashboard, where Notion is the entire backend. No traditional database, no SQL, just Notion, connected via the official Model Context Protocol. Everything I'm about to show you, the AI extraction, the forecasting, the charts, all of it stores and reads from a free Notion workspace using the Notion MCP. The dashboard has 11 chart types: revenue trend, revenue forecast, margin trends over time, EPS trends, a segment revenue breakdown, a quarterly heat map, a tree map, a composed chart, KPI distribution, confidence distribution, and KPI gauges. At the top you'll see KPI summary cards, revenue, gross margin, net margin, EPS, and operating income. These update in real time from Notion. Notice that large revenue values automatically display in billions, like $12.7 billion instead of $12,700 million. Right now I'm on the All Entities view, which aggregates all companies together. I can switch to individual clients using these filters. One of the key features is multi-model AI support. You can switch between Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite, and Anthropic Claude Haiku or Sonnet, without restarting anything. The default is Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's fast, accurate, and completely free within Google's quota. This is where the magic happens. I can add a quarterly earnings report in two ways: by pasting a URL, or by uploading a PDF. Let me show you the URL method first. The AI fetches the page content, reads through the financial data, and extracts all the KPIs as structured JSON: revenue, gross margin, EPS, operating income, and any other metrics it finds. Look at this. The AI pulled out every key metric with the quarter, year, value, unit, and a confidence score. High confidence means it found clean numbers. Medium confidence means it inferred from context. This is the human-in-the-loop step. I can review every KPI, edit any wrong value, delete ones I don't want, or add custom metrics the AI missed. When I click on the Save button, behind the scenes, Agent is creating a client record, a report entry, and individual KPI rows via the Notion MCP. The dashboard now shows the new data: revenue trend, margins, EPS, all live from Notion. Both All Entities page and the Intel page is now populated with Q3 numbers. As you can see, the chart values have adjusted and all the charts are updated. Every chart on the dashboard is draggable. Hover over any chart card and you'll see a drag handle appear. I can click and drag to rearrange the charts in any order I want. This order is saved to local storage, so next time I open the dashboard, everything stays where I put it. No setup, no account, it just remembers. Clicking the chart icon on any KPI row opens a detailed modal. It shows that KPI's historical trend across all periods and companies as a line chart, with exact values in a table below. I can also pin this chart to the dashboard. There it is. My custom KPI chart is now part of the dashboard grid. I can drag it around just like any other chart, and I can remove it by hovering and clicking the X button. This is the AI revenue forecast. When you first load the dashboard, a single background AI call analyzes all clients' historical revenue trends and predicts the next quarter for each. The chart shows the last 3 actual quarters and 1 AI predicted future quarter, marked with F. Switching between clients does not recall the AI. The forecast was computed once on page load and is displayed client-side. You can force a refresh using the refresh button. You can also query your data in plain English. Watch this. The AI reads from the Notion data and answers in natural language. It can compare clients, summarize trends, or flag anomalies, all from data that lives in Notion. The PDF upload path works the same way. Drag and drop any earnings PDF, annual report, press release, 10Q, and the AI extracts the same structured KPIs. This works especially well for reports that aren't publicly available as a URL, or older filings you have saved locally. This is the entire backend. Every KPI you just saw in the dashboard lives here, in a regular Notion database. No SQL, no Redis, no Postgres. Just Notion. The app reads and writes through the Notion MCP, 21 tools covering search, create, update, and query operations. To summarize, this is an end-to-end AI-powered KPI tracker. Reports go in through AI extraction. KPIs live in Notion. Charts render live. Forecasts run on demand. And everything runs on free tiers: Notion Free, Google AI Studio Free, and Vercel Hobby. The full setup takes about 10 minutes. Link to the repo and setup guide is in my GitHub repo.